Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So, I want to show you guys how I made my makeup for my birthday shoot. Okay, so this is the first time I'm doing a very full makeup video. I've done my eyebrows with, and I recorded on another phone, so that's why it's not here. It's not part of this video. And I did the eyebrows, I did the highlighting under, and then I already fixed my lashes. So here am I highlighting the top of my eyebrows. So basically I just use David eyebrow eye pencil. That was what I used. Very simple. And then I used Usher's gel liner. And here I like you saw the other time, I used powder, beautiful powder. That's the name, beautiful cosmetics powder. That's what I use basically. So yes, I'm the very traditional makeup artist, and that is why I don't really go with trends. And this is my full face eyeshadow. I'm trying to do the transitioning right now at the corner of my eyelid. So I'm using the very dark shade of burgundy, and I'm going to mix it with a very dark shade of cocoa in a few moments. Yeah, that is it. Very dark shade of cocoa for my transitioning eyeshadow. Yep, as you can see, I'm just blending and blending and blending, because you can never overblend professionally if you know what you're doing as a makeup artist. So this is my benign. I'm going to use it for my eyeshadow primer, benign shadow primer, using it with my angle brush. Sometimes I use my hand to blend, because I told you I can be weird as a makeup artist. And it's because I just believe in the traditional way of using your hand to blend, and doing makeup for myself, it can be very stressful, but just follow me closely. So I'm aligning the under eye now with color purple, and then this is Huda Beauty, nude Huda Beauty. I'm going to use it for my eyeshadow. Just one thing, it's going to give a blend of one single color, but I blended two. So this is I'm blending now with my foundation. I use Zaron and Classic basically, and for the eyebrows I'm using Usher's gel liner. So here am I just trying to make sure everything is well blended, with the foundation, skin work basically. I already used primer. I already used this thing I'm using on my face now is Zaron primer. Zaron eye fix. So I used Zaron primer, and I used Zaron spray. So here am I trying to do the powder, the under eye with my powder. So I'm not going to use concealer at all. I'm using powder to do my highlights basically. So like I told you, it's more of a traditional technique, not much of a lot of products. It's just using what the little things I have to achieve the look I want to get. So here am I using David's eye pencil for my nose contour. I know it's kind of strange for some people, but like I told you, I'm not a conventional makeup artist, but I usually get the result I want, and that is the most important thing. Yep. So here am I using I'm highlighting the nose right now, and I'm using Zaron Fix. Zaron Fix is like bay for me, like really bay. So I'm going to use powder for my contour, side cheek contour. I'm loving this look, even though it's not the conventional look, but I love it. And this is Revolution, makeup Revolution. For my bronzing, I spray my brush and then I apply it on my cheek, mixing two colors together, the bronze and the light one for my cheek, because I'm a little bit light in complexion, so I don't want to get too white using the bronzer, and I don't want it to get too much. So basically I think it's more of skin work today, because it's not something I do every time, because I'm a skincare therapist, so I prefer my skin. But if I have to do makeup, especially for a shoot, it has to really come out great, and that is why I'm showing you guys this as my first time anyways. So So I applied on the nose. I applied the bronzer on the nose, and then I'm using powder as a contour for my nose. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it. I don't want to have a very, very sharp look. I want to have a well blended face, and that is why I'm using the less conventional products. And as you can see, I made use of my Zaron Fix a lot, and then also my powder, just to make sure that it gets really, really nice. Now I don't have a blush. I don't have a blush, and because I don't really use blush on my customers' faces, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy a blush, but in the meantime I used my full face eyeshadow for my blush. Imagine. Isn't that cool? I love it. Gosh, I love it. I love it. You are going to see it. It's going to really, really be well blended. Don't worry. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh my God, I'm loving this look. I'm loving this look. So this is my Zaron powder. I love it. I love Zaron products. I think it's well blended for African skin, so I love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'm using it to blending is like one of the most important things for makeup, because it's not every client or not everybody that likes colors on their faces, but if you can do skin work very well, then you are you're good to go. So the skin work I'm focusing on today, I want to just practice my skin work, and I love Zaron. So I can call this probably semi Zaron look. It's possible because I use Zaron products that I mix it with some other ones that I brought in from Nigeria, and this is the look it's giving to me. It's coming out little by little by little by little, blending and blending. So in the middle of that, I had to use my David's eyeshadow, eye pencil, for my eyebrow, to just make it more visible. So this is my Usher's gel liner. At this point I must tell you the fact I don't really like lining my eyes, but because of the photo shoot, I have no choice. You can see me kind of struggling with it, but I hope it comes out nice eventually. So here am I using David's again. David's eye pencil or lip liner for my lip, and this is classic nude and another classic nude. So 2 shades of classic nude lipstick right now for my lip, because I have full lips and I want it to look kind of cool, not flashy, but nice and well blended. And this is what I'm trying to do. I'm going to use my Lipilicious lip gloss. I love lip gloss a lot. Gosh, I love lip gloss. Gosh. So yeah. Whoo, I love this. I love this. I love the lip. It's the lip for me. It's the lip for me on this look. It's the lip for me. I love it. So checking it out to see. Trying to apply a little more bronzer, on the cheek to make it come out. My cheekbone has to come out, and just have a well blended, nice face. Gosh, I love the lip. I'm adjusting the lip right now, trying to blend, do finishing touches. I hope you like this look. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Click the like button, leave a comment, tell me your recommendations. If you feel I should work on anything, let me know. I wouldn't mind. All comments are welcome. Yes, I will review it, and then next time I'm doing another video, definitely I'm gonna put those things into consideration. So here am I, just blending, touching my face for a full finishing touch. You can see it's blending that worked here in this video. Blending. So this has taught me a lot about blending. You cannot over blend professionally if you know what you're doing. You understand? Blending, fixing, having a good skin, because that is the best foundation so far. Having a good skin, even though my foundation was Zaron and classic, but if your skin is not really, really nice, it might not really come out so well. So having a good skin, a well prepped skin, is big, and is like the most important part of any makeup. routine or any makeup style you want to have. So you can see me blending, still blending with powder, still blending, till I get that look I want. So I'm applying a little more bronzer because I'm blending right now. The contours are there, the highlights are there. I want to make my cheeks come out more, trying to blend, blend my lip area, trying to blend the under part of my cheek, on the part of my other cheek too, and then blending with also Zaron. So I use two powders here, Zaron and Beautiful Cosmetics. Yeah, gosh,